Right, it's arrived, and I'm going to open it right after this. So here it is. It's a scarf from my Kamado Tanjiro kashira. I haven't been this excited in quite a while, so I'm feel kind of strange. But so I'm going to open it now and look at it. Yeah, let's do it. Right, there we go. Wow! Wow! Oh my god! This is gorgeous. Oh wow! I'm scared to touch it too much because I'm scared of spoiling it because it's going into the competition, but I've still got to do the finishing on the fuchi there. Because of time constraints, I sent it off before it was finished. But oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It feels so good. That's mad. Okay, so oh, oh nice. Okay, all right. Oh wow! All right, so. Yeah, there we go. Kind of speechless. Wow. Wow, this is kind of freaky, you know what I mean? There's, you know, parts that I've made myself and it goes onto the actual sword. And on top of that, it's, you know, it's Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Demon Slayer handle and stuff, you know. So right, okay, let's right, I was gonna put it on the snuggie, like, you know, because I don't want to. I use my blade all the time for Iaido, so I didn't want to put my Iaido blade into the competition so that I'm without it for 3 months. But so when it goes into the competition, the completed kashira, it's going to go in the snuggie. But today, I think that I have to put the tsuba and the ska onto my Shinken because I just cannot wait, cannot resist. Okay, right, let's get rid of this. Let's get this down. Oh, we've got a new peg there as well, so let's take the peg out. Alright, so it's a bit tight because it's a newly wrapped scar. So newly wrapped scar tend to be a bit tight, so they need a bit of help. But because this is going into competition, I'm kind of scared of denting or scratching the kashira there. So let's try it with a cloth. So. Oh, that's it, we're in. We're in. Yosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is much better than I imagined. I just, you know, because I'm just an amateur making these things. But, you know, I've passed the other parts off to top quality craftsmen, top quality hand wrapper and a top quality scabbard maker and lacquerer, and wow, it looks like a Japanese sword. This is fantastic. Let's put it back in there, and yeah, I'm really blown away. Sorry, this is probably the most silent video I've done so far, but you know, and oh my god, it feels so nice, even without Minuki. You know, it feels like it's going to be good, you know, easy to use, nice to use, comfortable. Yeah. Right. Right, so there we go. So on top of that, in addition, because this is a Tanjiro themed sword, I also ordered custom made sword bags in the Ichimatsu material, the Ichimatsu pattern material. So when it goes into competition, it won't only, you know, it'll have a plain black scabbard with the silver kojiri that I made, but sorry, I'm probably moving a little bit awkward here, but I'm suffering from space constraints. But when you're handling swords, the most important thing is that you keep the handle part uppermost at all times. You know, because you don't want it to suddenly fall out the scabbard, in case you have a slightly loose koiguchi. So that's the inner bag there. There's the inner bag. Oh, can't see it again. Okay, and then this is the kind of ceremonial type bag. A bit stiff at the moment, but we'll probably do this again once the saya arrives. I just couldn't wait. Sorry, I'm just too excited. This is crazy. Okay, right. Oh, my glove's sliding around it. So I'll take the plastic bags off the end of the cord once the saya comes, or once it's. Actually, I'll probably leave it till it's going off to a competition. But so there's a chance that this might get displayed at the Meiji Jingu, the Meiji Shrine Treasure Museum in November 2021. Wow! I mean, if it does, you know, I get it. It's just because it is a popular themed kashira, you know, at the moment, because of popularity of Kimetsu no Yaiba. But you know, if it does, I'll be really pleased, just because I feel like I'm helping spread the popularity of Japanese swords, you know, or keeping it alive. So anyway, so there you go. There you go, there's that too. Wow. Wow. It's all gradually coming together. And I still haven't edited the other parts of the video yet. But anyway, so that's it up to now. Alright. So I hope you liked the video. Please give us a like and share, but most importantly click that notifications button, and I will see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. See ya. Bye. Hello there, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please click on the like button and then on the subscribe button, but also click on the notifications button to make sure that you get future videos in your feed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.